If you see 4WD system unavailable, service required on your Jeep Cherokee, it means the vehicle has temporarily disabled the four-wheel drive system to protect the drivetrain. The Jeep Active Drive relies on sensors, actuators, and control modules to distribute power to all wheels. When the system detects overheating, electrical faults, or sensor errors, it switches to two-wheel drive and displays this warning. Try these. 1. Turn the vehicle off completely and wait about 2 to 3 minutes, then restart to see if the system resets. 2. Check the battery voltage and terminals, since weak batteries can trigger drivetrain warnings. 3. Inspect under the vehicle for damaged wiring or loose connectors near the transfer case. 4. Scan the vehicle with an OBD2 scanner to check for drivetrain or transfer case codes. 5. Verify transfer case fluid levels and look for leaks if the system warning persists. 6. If the message remains after resets, schedule professional diagnostics for the transfer case actuator or control module.